When it comes to furnace tune-ups, don't settle for a quick little clean and check that most companies do. At More Home Services, we perform a comprehensive 18-point total rejuvenation tune-up. It takes about 90 minutes and covers everything. We want to keep your furnace running perfectly so you don't have to pay for big repairs. So when you're ready for a real furnace tune-up, call your friendly hometown professionals at More Home Services.
We do more to treat you right. More Home Services.